Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to say happy holidays or happy vacation in Austrian German. Additionally, we will show ways how to say have a good trip. So let's get started. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to learn how to say happy holidays in Austrian German. In German, we can translate holidays as Urlaub on the one hand, meaning spending time around a lake or in the mountains, and Feiertage, meaning public holidays, on the other hand. Let's start with the translation Urlaub. If you want to wish somebody happy holidays, you can say Schönen Urlaub, Schönen Urlaub, or with Austrian accent, Scheen Urlaub, Scheen Urlaub. To wish someone a relaxing vacation, you can choose the phrase Erholsamen Urlaub, Erholsamen Urlaub, or with Austrian accent, Erholsamen Urlaub, Erholsamen Urlaub. In the context of school or university, the word Ferien is used. For example, we say Schöne Ferien, Schöne Ferien, or with accent Schöne Ferien, Schöne Ferien. And there is also the relaxing version, Erholsame Ferien, Erholsame Ferien, and with accent Erholsame Ferien. If you want to wish somebody a good trip, you can say Gute Reise, Gute Reise, with accent Gute Reise, Gute Reise. Furthermore, you can use Schöne Reise too, Schöne Reise, Schöne Reise. As we've mentioned at the beginning of the tutorial, holidays may also mean Feiertage, meaning public holidays. In this case, we use the phrases Schöne Feiertage, erholsame Feiertage, or with Austrian accent, Schöne Feiertag, erholsame Feiertag. Summing up, we can repeat the most important phrases: Schönen Urlaub, erholsamen Urlaub, Schöne Ferien, Gute Reise, erholsame Feiertage. I hope I could give you a little insight into some ways to say happy holidays or happy vacation in Austrian German. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.